Eros e Lori Schinello vi danno il benvenuto in Isotex. Vi accompagneremo in produzione per vedere come vengono realizzati i nostri prodotti.
For over 40 years, Isotex has been building in a sustainable, innovative, and safe way. It all starts with a fundamental choice: only reclaimed spruce wood, untreated, a concrete gesture to avoid cutting down trees and reduce environmental impact. Production waste? We recycle it and reintroduce it into the production cycle. A perfect example of a circular economy. The mixture is processed and distributed into the 3 block-making machines. Here, thanks to the molds, our blocks and floor slabs are born. Then, they are transported to the drying chambers for an initial curing phase. Our production plant is fully digitalized. It controls dosages, machinery, and the mixture, thanks to a next-generation system. After the initial curing, the blocks move to the second phase, the one that makes them dimensionally stable. Isotex is the only company to use this double curing cycle, a true guarantee of quality and precision. Once ready, the blocks are stored for over 28 days to complete natural shrinkage. Then we return indoors. The blocks go through the milling lines, where 12 automated cutters carry out every process with millimetric precision. Next, we insert the eco-sustainable Neopore BMB Cert by BASF insulating inserts, made with up to 100% recycled polystyrene. Every hour, we carry out quality checks on the blocks. Our dimensional tolerances, among the strictest on the market, variations of just plus or minus 2 millimeters. Finally, a high-precision robot packages the blocks. They are automatically strapped and prepared for shipment. On our yard, we store up to 80,000 square meters of blocks, always ready for immediate delivery. But Isotex doesn't stop at formwork blocks. In our catalog, you'll also find floor slabs and partition walls to achieve full construction integration, ensuring safety and maximizing benefits. Each batch is tested in-house for density, strength, and raw materials. Nothing is left to chance. And before delivery, we verify that each load matches the customer's order. Isotex. Innovation, sustainability, and precision.